Is milk really good for you, or is it a white poison disguised as a healthy drink? This age-old debate has been stirring up controversy among health enthusiasts, dietitians, and scientists for years, leaving many of us in a state of confusion. Today we'll delve into the pros and cons of milk consumption, aiming to shed some light on the matter. Milk, often hailed as a complete food, is packed with essential nutrients. It's a rich source of calcium, a mineral that's vital for healthy teeth and bones. It also provides vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption, and is a good source of protein, contributing to muscle growth and repair. Not to mention it's rich in B vitamins, particularly B12 and riboflavin, both of which are crucial for energy production and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Moreover, research suggests that milk may help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis and can also contribute to a healthy body weight. There's evidence to suggest that children who drink milk are less likely to be overweight or obese. And for those who love intense workouts, milk can act as a great post-exercise recovery drink, rehydrating the body and replenishing lost nutrients. But the story of milk isn't all rosy. Critics argue that despite its nutrient-packed profile, milk may not be as beneficial as we've been led to believe. Many people are lactose intolerant, which means their bodies can't properly digest lactose, a sugar found in milk. This can lead to bloating, diarrhea, and other digestive problems. Some studies also link milk consumption to an increased risk of certain health conditions, including acne, prostate cancer, and even heart disease. The high levels of saturated fat in whole milk are often pinpointed as a contributing factor to these health risks. Furthermore, there's the issue of hormones and antibiotics in milk. Many dairy cows are given hormones to boost milk production and antibiotics to keep them disease-free. These substances can end up in the milk we consume, potentially leading to hormonal imbalances and antibiotic resistance. In conclusion, milk, scientifically recognized as a nutrient-dense beverage, provides multifaceted health benefits. Studies have shown its role in promoting bone health due to its rich calcium content, aiding weight management because of its satiating properties, and supporting post-exercise recovery with its blend of proteins. However, research also points to potential drawbacks. For instance, individuals with lactose intolerance may experience digestive problems, and certain studies suggest an increased risk of specific health conditions linked to milk consumption. Furthermore, the presence of hormones and antibiotics in milk, validated through various scientific investigations, poses a concern. So the question remains, is milk good or bad? The answer is complex and multifaceted. It depends on individual tolerance levels, a fact highlighted in numerous dietary studies, dietary needs, and personal health aspirations. As with any food or drink, moderation is crucial. A myriad of scientific literature supports this, emphasizing that no single food should be consumed in as always. Consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet is highly recommended. In the vast field of nutrition, absolute certainty is rare. The ongoing debate about milk perfectly illustrates this. But what remains undoubted is, knowledge is power. By understanding the scientific facts, potential benefits and drawbacks of milk, you can make an informed decision that best aligns with your health and well-being. So, whether you're a milk enthusiast, a milk skeptic, or somewhere in between, remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, backed by scientific evidence, and always drink responsibly.